Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download NordVPN on iPhone and Android. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. All right, so first up, let's go ahead and go to our Apple device right here on the left side. And what you'll do is just find your App Store. Okay, tap on App Store. And then go ahead and tap on search right here at the bottom right. Now use the search bar at the very top, tap on it and type down NordVPN. Once done, tap on search. And then you'll be able to see NordVPN fast and secure right here. Tap on the cloud icon and then the cloud as well to download it. Wait for the process to finish. And while we wait for it to install, let's go ahead over to our Android device. So find your Play Store. And then we are going to do the same thing. Tap on search bar, and NordVPN. All right. Now find NordVPN, tap on install. As you can see, I already have it installed. And then once that's done, all you got to do next is just tap on open. Once done, if it's your first time to open up NordVPN on your phone, it will ask you to accept the privacy policy. Tap on next, allow, and then just log in with your account. That's how simple it is to download NordVPN on an iPhone and Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.